Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a button right into your WordPress header menu, a little upgrade that can make your site more engaging and direct visitors exactly where you want them to go. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to create a stylish button in your header and link it to any important page, from your contact form to your latest offer. Let's dive right in and make your site not only look more professional, but also more user-friendly. First up, you'll want to make sure you're in the WordPress editor for the area of your site where you'd like that button to appear. Most header sections use what's called the site editor or sometimes the customizer depending on your theme. If you're using the block editor or Gutenberg, this will feel familiar. Now to add a button, you can do it a couple of ways, but let's start with the more hands-on method. Look for the header in your site editor. You should see the blocks that make up your menu, maybe a navigation block with your page links or possibly a group block containing your logo and site title. What you'll want to do now is add a button block. If you're already editing your header, you can simply drag a button block from the block inserter on the left and drop it exactly where you want it to appear within the header. If you've never dragged blocks before, just click the plus sign, search for button in the block inserter, and drag it over. It's kind of like dragging an app onto your phone's home screen. Make sure you place it where it'll be most useful, whether that's before your menu links, after them, or even next to your site logo for maximum visibility. If you're a bit unsure about dragging and dropping, don't worry. There's another really easy way too. Hover your mouse over your header area and after a moment you should see a plus button appear. If you click that, a search box pops up. Type in button, select the button block, and WordPress will automatically slot it in wherever you clicked. Sometimes this method is even easier because it places the block exactly where you want, without worrying about lining things up. If it doesn't land in the perfect spot at first, the beauty of blocks is you can always rearrange things later. Now that you've added your button, the next step is to link it to the page you want visitors to go. Click on the button so it's selected and look for the little chain link icon in the toolbar that pops up above it. This lets you add a link, just like you would when linking text in a document or an email. Click it and you can either paste in the URL of your page or you can start typing the name of a page on your site, like contact or shop, and WordPress will auto-suggest choices. Pick your page, hit apply, and your button is now clickable. Think of this button as a brightly painted signpost. It's there to gently nudge your visitors in the direction you want them to go. Don't forget, you can customize the look of the button too. Change the colors to match your branding, adjust the text to be something eye-catching like "Get Started" or "Book Now." If something doesn't look quite right, remember, you can always edit or move the button until you're happy. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've added a functional, attractive button to your WordPress header. These small touches can make a huge difference in how visitors interact with your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want more tips, just leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks so much for watching and happy website building.